Okay. So guess what? We're going to do the same thing as before. But this time I have a little bit of a problem because I give you 2 points, but I didn't give you the M. Okay. Here's the good news. Do you remember our opener today?
Yes.
Okay. The good news is if we find the slope first, then we will be able to do the rest of the problem. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our 2 points and we're going to find the slope first. So it's going to be y2 minus y1 on top and x2 minus x1. Then we are going to choose. We can choose whatever point we want. It does not matter which one. You can pick this one or that one. And you're going to put your point and your slope into here like we just did. Okay, so we just have one extra step. All right, so we might have to do more of these, but that's okay. So number 1, very first on all of these questions, we're going to write down M equals, and we're going to do our slope formula. So I'm going to go ahead and underline my y's. I'm going to do 7 minus a negative 1 on top. What could I write? 7 plus 1. And on the bottom, if I did 7 minus a negative 1, I'm going to do negative 3 minus 1. All right. What do we get on the top? Yeah, most common mistakes on these, by the way, guys, are like sign errors. Like people make an error with the sign of the positive or negative. What's negative 3 minus 1? Negative 4. And what's 8 divided by negative 4? Thank you. So M equals negative 2. Okay. Olivia. Oh no, are you freaking out right now? What does she want? Okay, would you pick one of the points? One of these 2. Anyone you want. There's no wrong answer. What was that? You want to use this one? Okay, let's do our point slope form. She chose this point. So we're going to write y minus, what's going to go here? 7 equals negative 2 parentheses. You getting where I got the negative 2 from? Because I found it. Okay. X minus, what's going to go here? Negative 3. So we're going to write x plus 3. Okay. What do I do now? I distribute. So I have negative 2 times x. What's negative 2 times 3? Negative 6. Now, did you do it already?
Yeah.
You guys are fast. Okay. Y equals negative 2x plus 1. Do you remember I told Olivia to pick? Hopefully you do. Negative 1. One negative wrong. 1. So x minus 1. What did I get? So the reason why it doesn't matter if you pick either point is when you distribute, you're going to get the same thing. So pick whatever point vote. All right, here we go. Let's do another one. Number 2. What do we got to do first? Let's find the slope. So I have -7 minus a -4, or -7 plus 4. On the bottom, so I started there. Then I have -6 minus 3. -3 over -9. Are you following so far? First of all, a negative over negative is positive. Doesn't 3 go into 9 3 times? And 3 goes into itself once. So if I divided top and bottom, I'd have y equals, or m equals 1/3. Okay, so I'm going to pick the first point again. I do y minus the y, so that's going to be y minus a -7, or y plus 7, equals m, so 1/3, x minus a -6, or x plus 6. We're not freaking out about fractions. One-third times x is 1/3 x. 1/3 times 6 is like 6 divided by 3. That's what that means. It's like 1 times 6 divided by 3. What's 6 divided by 3? 2. And finally, I subtract 7 from both sides. Did I forget my x? 1/3 x minus 5. Okay. Before you begin, I want you to try one, and then I'll feel pretty confident, I think, if you can do one of those, that you're ready to go on the other. If you're feeling like you're stuck and I have to help you, then I can help you with it. Would you do, please, for me, number 6 on that page? Would you try it? If you want, you can check in with me after you do the slope to see if you did the slope right. And then we'll